What's up, conductors? Welcome back to All the Mini Railways, the show where we visit all the mini railways in the UK. Today we're here at Brookside Garden Centre. We've got a ride ahead of us, and it's quite interesting. You can see the history here, and you can see how it was sort of extended through the years that it's been around, nearly 40 now. It takes a course around the garden centre, and it has a cute little...
Oh, let's have a look, Simon.
Right, so, as I was saying before, it has a cute little furry village scene towards the end of it. It's quite cool.
Yeah.
Looking forward to that bit.
And we're filming it on New Year's Eve, so there are still some Christmas features that are probably not here throughout the year. And there's a nice little shop here with one of these Thomas little railways up at the top. And oh yeah, there it goes. Peep peep Thomas.
The real miniature railway we came for.
Puff puff puff, said Thomas. And the Fat Controller said, "You have caused confusion and delay."
Everyone watching, I'm not with him.
You used to love that when you were little.
Still do.
Perfect.
At all times, enjoy the ride.
furry ones. Yeah. It's very impressive.
There's a train by there.
Well, there is. Didn't quite catch it on camera, unfortunately. Aww. Oh dear. Hello. Oh, frogs. Yeah, is that a river? Okay. Well, it's nicely flowing though, I agree with you. So we've got 2 rides, right?
No, just the one ride. So. One thing we forgot to mention earlier is that this railway is open all year round. A lot of the other ones we featured are just between April and October, but this one is open from Thursday to Sunday every week of the year. And here he comes.